Shugor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Ka Sarkar Jila Lyngba ka Ministry of Communications hakala sngiublay kala penlaj Paidbah ya kadak sewa app kumjo ya kadak mitra app balya ka jipen bha ya ki khasaw tali ki office trekam jong ka General Post Office GPO ki badon ha ki nongba bapher jongkari ya kani ka jukple la shimenta da ki khasaw tali ki GPO office Lyngba ka online bala shim ya ka benta ban penlaj Paidbah da u Jyoti Raditya M Shindia Honorable Minister Jokatanat Communications but donor jong ka Sarkar India Hakjia Donlang U Dr. Chandra Sekhar Pemasani, Honorable Minister of State for Communication and Rural Development. Katba Hakjia Lang Balalong GPO Office Shillong, Lawan Banishimenta Daka Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo, U Joseph Lalrin Sailova, Chief Postmaster General Northeast, U Dr. Yo Peter Raifia, Deputy Director PANF Northeast Circle Shillong, Kumju Kakong, Monjurlang Dakhar, Executive Engineer Civil Shillong. Habayo banyakren bad u Joseph Lalrin Sailova ulai thu habayday barkijing tray ban penbha ya ka GPO office kibadon hakaleng laile bantay nakabanta ban Pynsuk ya kijingdon kam jong ki Paidbah hakabayday barkijingla ban pli ki artali ki app ulong bakalong ban Pynsuk bat ban Khring ya ki papanon kam bat an ashibon ki Jingshakri ki Jingshakri bakham rinti kintup ya ka speed post saving bank IPPB bat ka donru या का आधार सेवा केंद्र बट का फिलाटेलिक ब्यूरो
Thank you.
Actually, today this Shillong GPO, which was selected as one of the post offices to be renovated under the new postal standardized postal design, has been inaugurated virtually by the Honorable Minister of Communications through video link. As per the design which was conceptualized by the School of Planning and Architecture, so across the country new post offices are being constructed with a uniform design. All of the post offices which have been selected so far, they all have the same design. So this is meant to provide better customer facilities like the new designed writing boards, letter writing chairs, and as you can see, the counters are also well designed, durable and aesthetically presentable.
Sir, this is in terms of infrastructure.
Yes.
So what about the facilities and other facilities to the customers and the employees?
Yeah. In terms
What
of
are the
other facilities, we had recently launched the Advanced Postal Technologies, which is a simple software which is being used by the department across the country. That along with the CBS, the core banking services that we have for our postal services, savings bank, these are now all online. So as the Honorable Minister today also launched 2 apps. Those are also meant for the public as well as for the departmental employees. The departmental employees will have now a simple software which is in their mobile, and also the apps which can be downloaded by the public. Those provide a lot of facilities at the tip of the finger. At the click of a button, as you can now find out which post office is closest to you. You can register a complaint. You can track which article you have booked, where it has reached. All these are now live and online.
Talking in terms of making it more attractive, what other things you are taking up for the public so that you can make it more attractive?
See, ultimately postal services is to ensure that the actual service that we provide in terms of mail movement, parcels, these are provided so that there is speedy transmission of mails, speedy transmission of parcels, convenient banking facilities. Now our online we have our postal banking, postal savings bank, that is now online. There is a app You also have online banking, just like any other, the modern banks. We all have that now. So in fact, if you have an account in the post office and you use these digital facilities that we have, like the online banking or the app, you don't even need to come to the post office now. Just like SBI, you can invest your money in the post office in different schemes within the post office from the convenience of your home. We also have our own bank, the Indian Postal, Payments Bank, which can serve as a bridge between the post office, the Postal Savings Bank, and other banks. So through this IPPB, you can also have your like GPay. You can utilize this IPPB services also. So it's a lot more convenient. Now you don't even have to come here, line up. Then we are also launching, this pickup services. If you have lots of parcels, we can come and pick it up from your residence or from your firm. Then we also have self-booking kiosks. We're launching that. One is functional in Tripura right now. We're planning to make it more, spread across the region, that is. So in that case, you just bring your parcel, you do the necessary entry, and you drop your parcel there after paying, and that's it. You don't need to stand in line anymore.
So what are the other postal schemes are available? Like if you can say a little bit about
Here
postal
we have
schemes.
a Aadhaar Kendra. There's a functional Aadhaar enrollment center and updation center here in GPO also, where you can utilize all the facilities, enrollment and the updation, say of your name, your address and all those other mobile, etc. So those are also there.
And talking in terms of insurance, postal insurance.
We have postal life insurance, we have rural postal life insurance. As the Honorable Minister also had said today, these are also being made more customer friendly. In the Dak Seva app also, you can pay your own premium, etc. all through that app now. And in fact, if you have a postal life insurance policy, earlier you had to come to the post office with your premium book to make the payment, stand in line. Now you can do that through GPay also. It's all online now. So now more and more intervention of technology will ensure that the public has all the postal facilities at their own fingertip at the privacy of their homes.
Any more new initiative in the pipeline?
As of now, this is one one small step. We're moving ahead and we'll see. Because technology integration is going on at a fast pace. More and more customer friendly and staff friendly facilities are being generated daily. So as it comes out, we will publicize it accordingly.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.